Hello everyone and welcome back to Trusted Credit Repair YouTube channel. Trusted Credit Repair, where trust is in our name. My name is Dennis and welcome back. In my previous videos, I've spoken about some really cool credit hacks. Today I'm going to bring you one more very interesting hack. It's called Self-Lender. Okay, the website is www.selflender.com. Now, for those of you who have no credit history and is trying to establish their credit, if you just came to this country or you're fresh out of high school and you're trying to establish credit, it could be very difficult. But there's a solution. Let's say you try to get a secured card, which we've mentioned in our previous videos, the credit builder card, which is a great way to get your credit started. Okay, but let's just say they don't approve you. I've seen it before to where there could be a mismatch on your credit report or they don't recognize certain information and you could get a decline. It's rare, but it does happen. So what is another solution? What is another way to build credit? Yes, it's called Self-Lender. Self-Lender is really cool because what it allows you to do is once you join, you open up an online CD, which is FDIC in short. The money is deposited into online savings account and it's locked for 12 months. Every single month, you decide to deposit a certain amount of money. So the way it works is you get to choose how much money you want to put up and in how long do you want to do it. You can choose a 12-month option, 24-month option, and so on. There's different flexible options. The best part about that is number one, you're saving money. Number two, you're establishing credit. Every single month, Self-Lender deposits money from your account into the locked CD. They're going to report you to all three bureaus. So what happens is you start acquiring points on your credit report. Every time there's a payment, that equals good payment history, equals the rise of a credit score. Also, when you unlock your savings, you're going to get all that money back. At the end of the CD, whether it's 12 months or 24 months, you get that money back minus service fees and the interest that they're going to charge you for the service. Yes, it does cost money, but it also allows you to build yourself good positive credit history. Another really cool part about Self-Lender is when you complete the 12 payments, and you go ahead and complete the program, they're gonna allow you to apply for a self-secured card, okay, which is a credit card that they provide and they will approve you based on your payment history for the CD. It's a very cool program, allows you to get an approval without any credit history, even with bad credit. Okay, this is a great platform for those of you who have bad credit, who haven't called us yet, which we encourage you to, and we can help you out and get your negative items removed from the credit report, and that's what we do best. This will allow you to build positive history while you're getting your credit fixed, okay, while you're taking care of the mistakes on your credit report, negative items, and so on and so on. So this is a great way to parallel catapult your credit score. A lot of people wait and they say, okay, well, let me clean it first and then I'm going to start building it. You don't have to wait for that. Okay, we have many different options in-house that we can get you started. There's lenders out there that even with a bad credit score are going to allow you to be able to get financing. A lot of them report to the bureaus. There's all kinds of different programs. We're going to touch on them in our future videos. We've spoken about it before, so please feel free and watch our videos, make comments, give us your suggestions. We love input, we love questions. We're always here to answer them. And feel free to call us 954-228-7000, or you can visit us on the web at www.trustedcreditrepair.com. So once again, Self-Lender is a really cool feature. It allows you to build credit. It's open for everybody over 18 and up. Okay, you can, if you have kids, this is a great way for them to start building credit. Parents out there, listen, this is a great way without any kind of a financial liability. You don't have to give them a credit card if you don't trust them with the money, but this is a great way for them to get started with the credit score. This is Dennis from Trusted Credit Repair. See you next time. Take care.